This outdoor compact refrigerator by Equator Advanced Appliances is raising the bar on outdoor entertaining. It features a waterproof and weather-resistant stainless steel exterior and a compact and portable footprint. Simply unplug the unit and unlock the casters to relocate your mini fridge to the perfect party spot. Set the beverages to the precise chilling temperature with the easy-to-read touchpad controls. Plus, keep food and beverages cool no matter how much the outside temperatures rise. With your Equator Outdoor Mini Fridge, you'll never waste a moment fussing with frost thanks to the smart airflow design and auto defrost feature. The unit is also safe and energy conscious with an included door lock, Energy Star rating, and safety certification. Customers love how seamless it is to go from outdoor refrigerator to the ultimate beverage cooler with 3 stainless steel wire racks that are easily removable. Like all Equator appliances, this outdoor mini refrigerator and beverage cooler is backed by the Equator 1-year warranty. And if you do run into any issues, you can instantly troubleshoot thanks to the QR code located right on the outdoor refrigerator. Get it today exclusively at Equator Advanced Appliances.